Today, a little bit of luxury. Steamed lobster in Huadiao wine with Chuen noodles. Let's cook.
This is a dish that is typically served in the snazziest of Cantonese restaurants. One of the vital components of the sauce is the essence of chicken, which we shall now extract from 2 chicken legs from the yellow chicken. Marinate with bouillon powder, sesame oil, ginger powder, and white pepper. Then steam on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. The steam will melt the fat, and the juice of the chicken will be collected in the plate. Remove the legs and use it for a different dish, and you'll be left with this flavorful chicken essence. For best results, use yellow chicken, as you won't be able to get this kind of essence from white chicken such as American chicken or Brazilian. Now this dish typically uses flower crab, but today I'm going to use lobster. I found these Sri Lankan slipper lobsters in the market. The flesh is super sweet, and they're about half the price of a typical lobster. Poach them in boiling water for about 5 minutes, then plunge them in cold water to stop the cooking process. We want the flesh to be about medium rare. When the lobsters have cooled down to about room temperature, use some scissors to cut along the edge of the shells. You can cut the soft part and make your way up into the harder part. Make sure you use a strong pair of kitchen shears, and then gently pull the softer shell away from the flesh. Then the whole tail can be removed. We'll pass the roe through a sieve into a pan. Use a silicone spatula to scrape down and pass the mixture through. This process makes it easier for the roe to combine with the sauce. After you've scraped it through, make sure you scrape the bottom of the sieve. Then we're going to add the chicken essence and extract all the unwanted bits. And finally, we're going to add the ShaoXing wine. The alcohol in the wine is not going to get cooked out. And if you want to share this dish with your kids, you can use a separate pan to boil the wine for about 4 or 5 minutes to remove the alcohol. Finally, we're going to steam the whole dish. In my plate, I'm going to put down the loose ends of the lobster and then a noodle called Chuen fan, which is like a really big sheet of noodle that's been scrunched together. I've sliced the lobster tails and put that on top, and then on top of that beautiful sauce. I mean, come on, look at that color. On goes some slivers of ginger, slivers of spring onion, then steam on high heat for 5 minutes. Make sure you don't steam for more than 5 minutes or you'll risk overcooking the lobster. And for the final touch, fresh spring onion just to bring that bite. And just like that, a bourgeois Cantonese dish can be easily prepared in the comfort of your own home.
The greatest thing about this really thick piece of noodle is it really scoops up the sauce flavor so well. Dare I say, better than any pasta. Yo, you gotta cook this.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and cook more Cantonese food for yourself and your loved ones.